To the new homeowners of Holly Hill Farm. If walls could talk, oh, the stories they could tell. This farm was the dream of my life since I was a little girl. I never imagined the happiness that was possible. Our children were able to experience the beauty of farm life while being not too far from town. I hope that you and your family are able to love this home like we have, with all of our hearts. It is truly the most special place on earth to me. Almost 7 years ago, I had the opportunity to find my heaven. We stumbled upon this home, hidden in the trees, when our family was very young and ready for a change. From the first moment I stepped onto the property, I knew it was special. I could see the potential from every angle. It would be where we would breathe life into my horsey dreams, as my husband would say. Having access to the most serene park with more than 1,000 acres of horse trails to ride my dream horse on was just the icing on the cake. We worked tremendously hard every year transforming this farm from a cold, outdated property into not only a showpiece home, but a family home that would be an equestrian's and an entertainer's dream. I saw a vision that day, a needed rest from the hustle and bustle of everyday Charlotte life. All of those dreams have come true at Holly Hill Farm over the years. It's the most beautiful and inviting haven I have ever had the blessing of calling home. It's been such a pleasure seeing the fruits of our labor and our dreams become a reality. Summer pool parties with family and friends, late nights at the fireplace outside sipping wine, and ending the day with my husband enjoying our life. Thanksgiving dinner filled with laughter and family, watching our barn come to life, and the many horses we have been blessed to not only board, but rescue and rehab. So many memories have been built, and we have made new ones that we hope that you will carry on. Now it's time we move on to another adventure, another chapter in our lives. But this farm will always hold a special place in our hearts. It's now ready to welcome you and love you the way it has welcomed and loved us. I hope your dreams will come true as much as ours have. Welcome to Holly Hill Farm.
Welcome home to 6909 Lakebrook Trail in Waxhaw, North Carolina. Just 15 minutes to downtown Waxhaw and a 1-minute trot to over 1,000 acres of riding trails at Cane Creek Park. This home is a beautiful masterpiece featuring 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, as well as a bonus room, in-ground pool, hot tub, and 2 custom masonry fireplaces. At over 5,000 square feet and full brick, you don't want to miss this opportunity. Having 5 fenced pastures with both grass and dry lot options, as well as a 5-stall barn with Dutch doors, hot and cold water options, as well as a tack and feed room, what more could you want? Welcome home to Holly Hill Farm.